apps appears show you.
How to use Google Photos on iPhone. You can easily upload all of your iPhone photos and videos in your Google Photos app. And in this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to use Google Photos app on iPhone. So first of all, go to your App Store and search for Google Photos. All you have to need, just install this free Google Photos app on your iPhone. Once it's installed, make sure to connect to Wi-Fi or cellular and then go to your Google Photos app. If you're first time here, you have to select a Gmail account to use Google Photos app. You can tap on this arrow icon and then you can select a Google account from your account list, or you can add a different Google account by tapping on add another account. After selecting your Google account, just tap on get started. And if you want to receive notifications from Google Photos app, just tap on allow. If you want to use keep organizing your photos by faces, just tap on keep it on. And now tap on allow access to all photos and tap on allow full access to upload all of your iPhone photos and videos. And as you can see, all of my photos and videos are uploading in my Google Photos app. If you want to disable automatically uploading or backup, just tap on your photo at the top right. And here tap on Google Photo settings and tap on backup. And from here you can disable automatic backup option. And if you want to search for a specific photo or video, just tap on this search icon at the bottom right. And here you can search your photos. And if you want to see your Google Photos memory, tap on memories. And here you'll find all of your Google Photos memories. If you want to go to library, tap on that. And here you'll find your library. You can see your favorites photos here. You can go to utilities folder. You will get here trash folder. If you want to create a new album, just tap on this plus icon to create a new album. So this is how we can use Google Photos on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.